Today, I'm going to show you how to disable WebRTC in Mozilla Firefox browser quickly and correctly. This is a useful privacy setting if you want to reduce the chance of websites detecting your real IP address through WebRTC leaks. Firefox makes this change easy, and you can do it in just a few steps without installing any extra extension. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser tutorials. Let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, click inside the address bar at the top where you normally type website URLs. This is the same bar you use to visit websites like Google or YouTube. Now type exactly this: about config. After that, press enter on your keyboard. Firefox will show you a warning page that says proceed with caution. This is normal because you are about to access advanced browser preferences. Don't worry, we only need to change one specific setting. On this page, click the button that says accept the risk and continue. That will take you into Firefox's advanced configuration area. Now you'll see a settings page with a search bar at the top labeled Search Preference Name. Click inside that search field and type exactly this: Media.Peerconnection.Enabled. Make sure you spell it correctly because this is the setting that controls WebRTC in Firefox. Once you type it in, you should see a single result appear on the page. In most cases, the current value will be set to true, which means WebRTC is enabled. To turn it off, simply click the toggle switch or the button beside it. The value should change from true to false. And that's it. WebRTC is now turned off in Mozilla Firefox. This can help improve your privacy by limiting browser-based IP leaks when you visit certain websites. If you ever want to turn WebRTC back on later, just come back to the same setting and toggle it back to true. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick browser privacy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.